transforming the way we live and work, bringing unprecedented efficiency and problem-solving capabilities. From healthcare to finance, education to environmental sustainability, AI is a powerful tool for driving progress and improving lives. I am here to argue that AI, when used responsibly, is a force for good, creating new opportunities, enhancing decision-making and helping us to tackle some of the world's most complex challenges.
While AI indeed holds potential, it's crucial to recognize the risk and disruption it brings along. AI has the power to change the way we live, but not always for the better. From job losses and privacy issues to deepening social inequalities and ethical dilemmas, AI could do as much harm as good if we are not careful. I believe we need to be more aware of the dangers before blindly embracing this technology, and that's what I am here to discuss today.
Alright, but AI is transforming industries by handling routine tasks, freeing humans to focus on creativity and innovation. In medicine, it speeds up diagnosis and treatment planning. In finance, it predicts trends, manages risk, and driving economic growth. While job displacement is a concern, history shows that technological advancement creates new opportunities in emerging fields. Beyond economics, AI can solve complex problems like climate prediction and drug discovery. With responsible development and proper regulation, AI can significantly improve healthcare, safety, and overall progress.
While AI offers efficiency, the human cost is too high. Millions of jobs, especially in labor-intensive sectors, will be lost, disproportionately affecting those already struggling. Not everyone can transition to that role, and the emotional and financial toll on families will be immense. Moreover, AI introduces ethical issues, bias in hiring, criminal justice, and mass surveillance threaten privacy and fairness. Over-reliance on AI also risks eroding human skills like creativity and problem solving. And with security threats like autonomous weapons, are we really prepared for the risk that AI brings?
It's all about balance. AI isn't perfect, but neither are humans. The key is to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. With safeguards in place, the benefits from improved healthcare to enhanced safety are too important to ignore. AI can reduce risk, enhance decision-making, and create new opportunities that help society as a whole.
But let's not ignore the inequality it could create. Wealthy countries and individuals will have access to the best AI technologies while others are left behind. And if biased AI systems continue to make decisions based on followed data, existing social inequalities will only get the worse. AI could either be a tool that brings people together or one that drives them further apart. We need to be cautious about how and where it's applied. Thank you.